Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are learning International Fisher Effect. Introduction. The International Fisher Effect is a theory in international finance that suggests a relationship between interest rate and exchange rates, especially between specifically, the International Fisher Effect states that difference in interest rates between two countries should be treated in the exchange rates because then currencies with the currency of a country with the higher interest rate depreciate relatively to the currency of the country with the lower interest rates. For example, suppose that the interest rate in the United States is higher than the interest rate in Japan. According to the international Fisher effect, that should lead to be a depreciation of Japanese yen related to the US dollar. This is because investor will seeks to invest in the country with the higher interest rate, which will increase depreciation for higher field currencies and reduce demand for the lower fields currencies. Importance of international Fisher effect. The international Fisher effect is important in international finance because it promotes a framework for understanding the relationship between interest rate and exchange rate, which are both important factors that influence international trade and investment. By understanding the international pressure effect, the investor and the policymaker can make better informated decision about how to manage risk associated with fluctuation in exchange rates and interest rates. Additionally, the international pressure effect can help forecasting future exchange rate movement, which is useful for businesses engaged in international trade and investment. Definition of international Fisher effect. The international Fisher effect is a theory in a international finance that suggests a relationship between international rates and exchange rates, especially the international effect states that in differences in interest rates and two countries should be rated in the exchange rate between their currencies, with the currency of the country with the highest interest rate depreciated to the smallest lowest depreciated country. The Fisher effect is a theory that suggests that changes in nominal interest rates will be often be by change in inflation rates, resulting in no change to in real interest rates. In other words, the Fisher effect suggests that the real interest rates or the nominal interest rates ab- object for inflation is what matter for the economic decision rather than the nominal interest rate along. The international Fisher effect combines the Fisher effect with exchange rates by assuming that in investors are indifferent between investing in domestic or foreign currencies. If there is a difference in nominal interest rate between two countries, investors will invest in the country with the higher interest rate, resulting in an increase in demand for their country's currencies. This increase in demand will cause the currency to appreciate, with which offset the higher nominal interest rate created in the resulted in the same real interest rate in both countries. For example, suppose that the interest rate in the United States is 3%, while the interest rate in Japan is 1%. According to the international Fisher effect, that should lead to be a depreciation of the Japanese yen related to the US dollars. This is because investor will seek to invest in the United States, which will increase the demand for US dollar and reduce demand for yen, causing the yen to depreciate. This depreciation of the yen will offset the higher nominal interest rate in Japan related resulted in the same same result real interest rate in both countries. Overall Fisher effect. Overall, the international Fisher effect combines the Fisher effect with exchange rate to example how differential in interest rates between two countries can affect exchange rates, and how they move in exchange rate can outset the effect of interest rate